Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka Bouncer Association of Meghalaya haka arphuwaitrik unna pra arajar phulai klapin kunno ya ka Shillong Arm Fight arajar arphulai All India Arm Wrestling Championship ka ba arsngi linter ka blalong ha usoso tham auditorium haka balaya shiminta de kinong yele kai na kelengkari ya kani karansan ya kob ya khonkti ka blapin long the People's Federation of Arm Wrestling India ringkat ka jingetrei lang bat ka Bouncer Association of Meghalaya Lambat ke Trelang Welfare Society dekat Jengkershan juga Tanat Sports and Youth Affairs juga Sarkar Jela nasa kilang do Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad Kesang Ma. Hak result juga jengya kop Wishin Rang u Dipankar Mech na Assam rayok Korea ke nam Champion of the Champions kat bah hak liang juga kintai la yok rak dekat Yogesh Choudhury na Haryana. Hak ni ke jengya kop lepinnya konru ya kibiran jengduna hak dekot mat hak sitting category hak bau Hubert L Nonglaj ula job ya kekerdan meningkong u Graham Jones Carboni ya kekerdan ke baar bar u Nami Nangsan Kupar ke Warjri hak kekerdan ke balai. Hak standing category u John Ball Lang Pongrok u Nihi Lamre bar u Merlat Kanai ke layak Korea ke jing job. Kiwi pat kinong job kilong u Daniel Nongklau u Hubert Palyar bar u Banshan Lang Terang hak jing khon ke basan pusan kilo. Unile Sangkar u Rizdul Ali ber u Reveal Bond Stars Naitang haka kerdan ke bandar pusan kilo. U Dipankar Mesh u Jackson Lingdo ber Alexion Roy Milim Umlong haka kerdan ke banyo pusan kilo. U Tridip Medhi u Alan S Marbanyang ber u Kishore Chetri haka kerdan ke prapusan kilo. U Bakham Mayan Khongwir u Banbat Juban Khongwir ber u Ishan Kashyap haka kerdan ke prapusan kilo shaneng. Haba pai pat syakaliangan juga kinthe ke Angeles Khar Umnoj ke Arikmen Shabong bak ke Miller Tita Lingdo Nong Brig la job haka kerdan ke basan pau kilo. Ke Bandar Rika Khar Kongor ke Sinibi Singkli ber ke Angel Mary Milim Umlong ke la job haka kerdan ke basan pusan kilo. Ke Wandalins Imyong ke Payal Bhumik ber ke Olivia Dekhar haka kerdan ke bandar pau kilo. Ke Margaret Pathau ke Aibok Lindrina ber ke Yimri Jagoy ke la job haka kerdan ke bandar pusan kilo. Ke Yogesh Choudhury ke Suram Rani bat ke Ribasuk Lingdok mau pelang ke job yaga kerdan ke bandar pusan kilo shaneng.
Wrestling Association, Mr. Joonstar and his team for such a warm welcome, to all my Meghalaya Shillong athletes for your very, very warm words of praise and welcome. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. So, we've always heard so much about Shillong and its beauty. So we always wanted to visit Shillong. And I must say, this beautiful city has not disappointed us one bit. The scenic views, your beautiful sky, and most of all, what we Mumbaikars miss the most, the breath of fresh air. It's wonderful being here. But what we did not expect was the level of this tournament. tournament here, the Shillong Arm Fight 2023. Mr. June Star and his entire team, I think they deserve a big round of applause for the fantastic organization and the amazing opening and closing ceremonies. Closing we are yet to see, but what the opening ceremony that we saw yesterday, we got to see that Meghalaya has so much talent. And thank you, June Star, for introducing us to all of that. It's been lovely. I'm going to try that Khasi dance on stage one day. yeah, I'm going to try it. I'm going to come there and do it with all of you all. So, yes, it's wonderful being here. We just, June Star, I want to say, as the president of the People's Arm Wrestling Federation of India, PAFI is very, very proud today to have a state like Meghalaya with us, and we are hoping for many more big things from Shillong and from Meghalaya. This is, and I'm sure that's going to happen very, very soon. Today, the eyes of the world are on India because of what the Pro Panja League has done. Yesterday, Parveen told you all a lot about it, but today, since we have Shri Conrad sir here, and we have Shri Choudhury sir here, I just want to introduce the Pro Panja League to them as well. So, the Pro Panja League is the largest arm wrestling league today in the world, because of which every international athlete wants to come to India. It has amassed more than, it was shown on Sony Sports, it was shown live on Sony Sports and DD Sports this year for 17 days. And it has amassed more than 32 million unique viewers, which is a big achievement, which is almost as much as we've equaled domestic cricket in India, which is what Sony Sports themselves have said. So today, every international arm wrestler wants to come to India. In fact, PAFI has been offered to host the Asian Arm Wrestling Championship 2023 the Asian Championship in 2025. They've offered India to host it because they are so sure that it's going to be fantastic, and India has the capability to host an international championship. So it's a wonderful time for arm wrestlers and arm wrestling the world over. We just saw Yogesh Choudhury today, and we met her outside, and we said, Yogesh, how are you feeling? So she's saying, it's tough, ma'am, and it's tough here. So we said, what? Yogesh, you are unbeatable. What are you saying? Aapka to koi match nahi hai. So she's saying, no, ma'am. Meghalaya ke jo athletes hai na, jo ladkiyan hai, unka grip jo hai, wahi, jab wo grip hi karte hain, to aadmi dar jata hai ki, my God, I won't be able to put her down. So to all the girls here in Meghalaya, Yogesh Choudhury thinks you're a big match. And another incident Yogesh told us, some of the athletes that she tried to bring onto the Pro Panja League, their families were against it, that no, how will we go send our girls away for so many days and it's going to be so tough. But after the Pro Panja League started airing, her family members and her husband set up a screen in the village and started showing everybody, look, this is my wife and this is what she's doing. So there's a big change in the outlook to the sport, and we at PAFI also are trying to develop the sport from the ground up. We have done so many events in so many cities, so many states, in fact even one on the banks of the Chambal River. So everywhere we are finding athletes, and new talent is coming from so many parts of the world. Very, very excited to be here today. Today is the start of something very exciting in Shillong, in Meghalaya. Sir, thank you for Sir Conrad, Sir Choudhury. Thank you for your support here. It is much, much required, and we are hoping to see you at many more arm wrestling tournaments, not just here in Meghalaya, but all over India. Thank you so much for your support, for being here for us. And just in the end, a lot of our champions are here, and Ribasoop, Tridip Medi, Yogesh Choudhury, Bandarika, PPL champions, Alan, again, the Kongwi brothers, Margaret. These are people who have been in the arm wrestling world for so many years and are now stars in their own right. So a big round of applause for all of them as well.
People have a certain strength, we have a certain advantage in certain ways, and I feel that arm wrestling could be one area where our youngsters can really shine. And therefore, when this proposal came from June Star, who's a very, very close friend of mine, we have always supported him in different programs he we've supported our players when they went to World Championship. We had supported them that time also. Even in this program, about 33 lakhs we have given from the sports department and from the Chief Minister's fund, and continuously we are supporting all kind of sports programs. So I'm very happy that this program is going well. I don't want to speak much because I know that all of you are here to see the real action in the arm wrestling, but I thought that we'll just share with you our thoughts and ideas and thank all of you. I really thank Praveen and Preeti for having taken their time out to come here. It motivates our children, really. It motivates our children, it motivates our youth, and they feel good when we have people coming in and supporting them and guiding them, more importantly. And I would look forward in the future, June, I would request you that all of this also requires professional training. I hope that you will go into that aspect also, and whatever support that we can give as a government to figure out how professional training can be brought in, different aspects of specialization can be brought in, we'll be happy to do that. You're aware that we have started a very, very unique program in our state called Star Athlete Program. And the Star Athlete Program, it is about getting better, it's about sportsmanship, it's about discipline, it's about hard work, and that's what sports does in terms of building your character. And I think that is the larger takeaway for all the participants who are here. I wish you all the very best in the sports, and I wish you all the very best in your future, in your life, in the days to come.
kalong ai ku play ya o president jong kamawa bolong bu nong sengya ka bouncer ba jun kharbuli de me iba aiman siam yingi kum ki players beroban pelong ya kani ka tournament kalong first ever hadien ka jing comeback janga kan kalong ru kawai ba aiman sim ki kun samla ban kring shibon ne ki wei ki district ban wan ya shimbenta baru akan ka rinsan ke bamenta ngi cannot easy kini ki not east states ki bawan ban shimbenta bat kum ki wei ru kum Haryana Gujarat te snotanat shibon haba kum kini ki jingele akai ki wan state ajang marba bon hi ki ba sha asale ki dei betang first second hindrai hakani kala long open championship babaro ki weight category ki laban shimbenta hadien ke jing shong that ranga ka pelong shisha yang abangan wa ban ki rinsan biang sisien hadien kalalong bakan dais nem hadien ti ngayo ban shimbenta ka national ka balong ha Jammu and Kashmir angta ngayo ban shim benta Chhattisgarh langta basultanat e kalong ha ka world championship ha Romania ngawan 8 rank din ketu ka pelong biang yang aba em keempat kot tangkat ni nomor kadang day first experience yang later nga practice biang hadien arsnem nga yale akai biang te so tanat chipon ma ayo itu kana kum ka world champion ha Turkey hajar arhu art nang ta Dubai jang ke Asian championship one gold medalist ka hajar arhu lain dia ngayo arupan lele kai ha Iran jong ke Open Championship International kare IFB Mr Universe dia ketupat kare ke Open Championship ya ba all ki weight category 70 above ki participate dia ketu 1 second nang ni syakmat dia ngakwa no ruah kejuk kapor ban let coaching pen prem yala dia pen tepet yala dia nak benta ban long referee ban long professional referee long taban ai coaching ru iki kena khamtam ma ka than ribhoi namar nga ngadai sha ribhoi ti kiwei ru kidon hang ni ngamla ban ong khamtam alansun ma ban yang long wei coach ba la kham tebet bahang ni social ti chate sha than ribhoi pat ngadang dan tang manga dan iki wei ki players ru belawan Asian Championship iki turu ngala ibet bakin I training lem no sai ki we ki players ki badan shi kendong kan shut jang than ribhai khnang ba ka jingle ka ka state championship kan long ka ba itanat ka ba ishong khia ka ba I thiang khnang bangila ban sai shibon ki players pat ban take part ka world championship ka national khamtam ningkong dia nak ka world ki Asian championship but ki we pat ki international